2025 Yamaha Crosser Z ABS stands out as one of the most versatile and capable motorcycles in its segment. Built to tackle both urban streets and rugged trails with ease, this dual-sport machine brings a unique blend of performance, comfort, and reliability, making it a top choice for riders who crave adventure without sacrificing practicality. Yamaha has taken what worked well in previous versions and refined it further in the 2025 model, ensuring that it not only meets expectations but exceeds them. At the heart of the Crosser Z ABS lies a fuel-injected 149cc SOHC air-cooled engine that delivers impressive efficiency and a smooth power band. It might not be the most powerful engine on paper, but it shines where it counts: responsiveness, low-end torque, and dependable performance in varied riding conditions. Whether you're navigating pothole-ridden streets, commuting through traffic, or venturing off-road, the engine feels eager and capable. It's also designed to be ethanol-compatible, a thoughtful feature for markets that rely heavily on biofuels. The introduction of ABS' anti-lock braking system in this 2025 iteration marks a significant upgrade for safety. Yamaha's decision to include single-channel ABS on the front wheel gives riders more confidence in both wet and dry conditions, especially when braking on uneven terrain. This addition is a game-changer for beginners and seasoned riders alike, bringing peace of mind without compromising the motorcycle's agility. Ergonomics and rider comfort are clearly a focus. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and long travel suspension offer a commanding view and comfort over long distances. The seat is well padded and designed to accommodate both rider and passenger comfortably, with integrated grab rails for added security. Its 19-inch front and 17-inch rear spoked wheels, paired with dual-purpose tires, strike the right balance between on-road stability and off-road grip. Styling-wise, the Crosser Z ABS embraces a rugged aesthetic with sharp body lines, a high-mounted front fender, and bold graphics. The bike exudes a sense of readiness, looking just as comfortable pulling up to a cafe as it does kicking up dust on a forest trail. The digital instrument panel is compact but informative, displaying all the necessary data including gear indicator, fuel gauge, and trip meters. The LED headlamp is another welcome addition, enhancing night visibility while giving the bike a more modern look. What makes the 2025 Crosser Z ABS particularly appealing is its versatility. It's an ideal motorcycle for riders who don't want to be limited by terrain. City commuters will appreciate its lightweight frame, nimbleness, and excellent fuel economy, while weekend explorers will love its off-road resilience and durability. Maintenance is straightforward, and Yamaha's solid reputation for reliability only adds to the long-term appeal of owning this model. In a market full of specialized machines, the Crosser Z ABS positions itself as the ultimate all-rounder: efficient, capable, and packed with features that enhance the riding experience without overcomplicating it. For new riders, it's an approachable yet exciting entry point into motorcycling. For seasoned adventurers, it's a reliable companion that invites exploration beyond the beaten path. The 2025 Yamaha Crosser